Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the tutorial series of the Love Theme Scrapbook album, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create the base pages for the album. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have taken a 250 GSM Black Cardstock in the size 16.5 by 8 inches and I'll score it at half an inch and 8.5 inch. Now fold along the scored lines. I'll demonstrate this step once again by making one more page. Now on the half-inch fold, stick the red tacky tape. I am using the 12 mm red tacky tape. Burnish or press down the tape so that it sticks well to the page. Using my craft knife, I'll remove the tape's backing and close the page over the tape. Now our first page is ready. In all, we'll be making 5 such base pages. So this completes our base pages. The left open side will be attached to the hinge of the album, while the right open side will hold a photo mat. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel for all the videos of this tutorial series. And if you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care and be safe.